Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer stated in the description before watching the video. Today's topic is foundational categories of legal system. Substantive law and procedural law are the two primary foundational categories that make up the legal system. Substantive law defines rights, duties, and legal obligations of individuals and the state. Procedural law or adjective law establish rules, methods, and machinery used in court to enforce those substantive rights. Now let's see about substantive law. What is its purpose? It creates, defines, and regulates legal rights and duties. It tells you what is legal, what is illegal, what your penalties or remedies are. What is its focus? The substance of the dispute, that is, the fact and core issue. Examples: in civil, the Indian Contract Act 1872, which defines breaches, and in criminal, the Indian Penal Code or Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which defines what a crime is and its punishment. The procedural or adjective law. It's about how the law is enforced. What is its purpose? It prescribes machinery, steps and rules for how a legal dispute is processed, heard and decided in a court of law. What is its focus? The process of litigation itself. It governs who can sue, evidence is presented, trials and appeals. Examples: in civil, the Code of Civil Procedure Code 1908, in criminal, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 or Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita. Substantive law and procedural law are mutually dependent on each other. Substantive law is useless without procedural law to enforce it. Procedural law is pointless without substantive law to rule on.